Traveling can be incredibly stressful, but your packing gear shouldn't be. Now, this extra large hanging luggage organizer completely revolutionizes the way you'll pack your next vacation, business trip, or weekend getaway. Now, look how it turns this very inexpensive carry-on bag into a masterful packing device. Look at all these compartments, 5 distinct compartments, and look at the double zippers. I love the fact that it has all these separated compartments, and I love the fact that the zippers slide from the middle outward, giving you a free open hand space to fit in. You can open and close them with one hand on each side without having to open the entire compartment. Now, these are like file systems for your clothes. They fit in most standard suitcases, and on the back they're flat and they are water and wet resistant. They also have these hooks for hanging on different devices, as well as hooking to each other and hooking inside a hard shell suitcase if you need it to be. It's also great for hanging it once you arrive at your destination. Each of these easily open sections can keep all of your items organized and separated. Now watch as we do speed packing here, just how much you can get in this incredibly wonderfully well-built packing set. Now, this was provided for me, from my honest opinion, and I love traveling and I love testing out my suitcases and packing gear. Now, this is a fabulous piece. I love how each thing is very durable. Each section is very separated and organized, and I can pack it to the fullest. Jeans, shoes, packing gear. Look, my electronics. I'm actually going to put more clothes in this section and put my electronics in a section by itself. I am all packed and ready to go. Look at that great packing job I did there. And the best part is, look, it will fit right into my carry-on, an organized packing wonder. Now, these mesh sides help everything stay open and airy, and I really love them, and I highly recommend it. I hope you like this video and follow for more from this great brand. These come in different sizes, and you won't be disappointed.